So remember the steps are please don't call, which is prepare, distribute, and combine like terms. So the first thing I always do is I go ahead and rewrite the problem so that it's big enough to start manipulating. Okay, so now our problem's big enough. We're going to go ahead and prepare this problem. So prepare means to change the minus to plus and negative, and then write in invisible ones for any variable with no number. So I'm going to change all the minuses to plus and negative, and write any invisible ones in front of variables with no numbers. Here are my variables, then letters. They both have numbers, so I don't need to do that. But I actually do have an invisible one here. Do you notice that there's nothing in front of this parenthesis? So that means there's an invisible one in front of that parenthesis. Okay, so now I'm ready. I'm done with the prepare step, and I'm ready to go on to the distribute step. So distribute means to multiply the number outside the parentheses to everything inside. So outside my parentheses right now is the -1, and I need to multiply it by everything inside. So that's -7y, and that's -5. Notice how I kept the plus sign. Okay, now everything else will just come down. So plus -9, 3y, plus. Okay, so now I'm done with the distribute step. Next up is the combine like terms. So combine means to add all the like terms together. Remember, like terms have the same variable and the same exponent. Okay, so right now it looks like these two are like terms. They just happen to be next to each other. So if I add that together in my calculator, I get -4y. Okay, oh, and look, these constants, these numbers with no variable are also like terms. So if I add that together, I get -14. So that's -4y plus -14. Or remember, the other way we could write this, because we can write it one more way, is -4y minus 14. Okay, so make sure you write down this example in your notes. We are going to be checking it.